Welcome to all. In this video, figure shows front view and end view of an object. Draw isometric view and show overall dimension. So first of all, draw a isometric box of length 120 mm, height 100 mm and width 75 mm. O represents origin of an object. From O on right side, you want to take a length at an angle of 30 degree of size 120 mm. So first of all, draw a box. Height is 100 mm. And width is 75 mm. And complete the box. Now, in front view, there are two semicircles, radius 60 mm and radius 40 mm. So first of all, we want to draw a semicircle. So when you are looking from left hand side view, it lie on this part. This part represents this plane. On this plane, you want to draw a semicircle and it is shifted of points of size 50 mm. So first of all, draw a two circle. So for drawing two circles, the rhombus of size 120. So let us see how to draw a rhombus and draw a semicircle of radius 60 mm. So first of all, look at the midpoint 60 mm. Okay, after drawing rhombus, join longest diagonal of a rhombus. And smallest opposite diagonal points. By using fourth center method, you want to draw semicircle of radius 60 mm. This semicircle is transfer of distance of size how much 50 mm. So which two point you want to transfer? This point is important and this point is important. So transfer along the width of size 50 mm. Get width of another size 50 mm. So these are the transfer 2 points. We have to transfer of points and we will get curve and draw tangent to this point. So this is semicircular strip. After that there is another semicircle of radius 40 mm. So for that one again you want to take same procedure. Draw a rhombus of size 80 mm. So this is the front view of this portion. After that, here one line is given. One line is passing through these points. Okay. Now I want to draw this another parts. So it is the height of size 70 mm. So where is the position of this part? This one. 70 mm. So draw a height of size 70 mm. Again this distance is also given 70 mm. Okay. Now while drawing these parts, you want to see in front of you. Here first of all locate a distance of size 60 mm from midpoint, 30 mm, 30 mm. After that draw inclined line. So along the top view, first of all mark midpoint of size 60 mm. From this point draw a line of size 30 mm from both the sides and join this part. So this distance is given, this distance is 25 mm. So along the width, take distance of size 25 mm. And join this line of size 60 mm. So how to locate these parts? From this point to this point, take a distance of size 120 mm along the length and join these parts. So this is required solution of isometric view of given orthorhombic view. After that, give the dimensions.